Wait, is this the one I think it is?
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another unboxing. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt from yesterday because it's the same day. Look, I've already eaten 2 of these as of today. But if this is technically tomorrow, can I eat this? And you be thinking, oh, I'm not. I'm doing so well. Okay, anyway, make sure you watch yesterday's video if you want to see what that was about. Anyway, I know this is from Xbox, another mystery box. So I'm assuming it's a controller. It's the same size. You got your scare yesterday. If you didn't, tough, you should have watched it. So I would go ahead and just get right into it. All right, so let's go ahead and open. It's a controller. Wait, is this the one I think it is? They sent it to me. I didn't know I was going to get this one. No, seriously. Because they announced it a couple weeks ago. I just figured, okay, it's a limited edition thing. I'm not going to get it. I got it. Guys, it's the white Elite controller. It's the new, they did an update Elite controller. Because they hadn't updated the Elite controller in I don't know how long. And so this is... Oh, and then I always get the cute little notes. Thank you so much, you know, for the little heart Xbox. I still have my original Elite controller. Last one was black, so this one is white. And it's black, it's white. I was in the bathroom listening to that yesterday. Yeah, I said it right. It was yesterday, but it's today because I'm still, okay. So nice pouch. Hello? Sorry. So yeah, nice pouch there. And I just want to go through whatever is in here before I open that. It'll be real quick. Okay, so nice. I like these nylon type cables. It might not be nylon, but that's just what I'm calling it. You know, they tend not to get tangled as easy. So that's nice. That is not USB-C. That is micro USB. They have not updated any controllers to USB-C yet. And you get the lovely Duracell batteries. I'm very happy they include these. You know what? Let me go get my black Elite controller. Okay, so as I was walking downstairs, I looked at my phone and on a Verge article that talked about this one. The one I haven't showed you yet. God, I'm an idiot. Does not have Bluetooth support. So, kind of wish they would have updated that. So this is just a skin to that one. I mean, I'm not ungrateful for it, but I just kind of wish they would have updated the technology a little bit. So that's what it looks like. I am not out of breath from running on the stairs, I promise. Okay, I had to get that out the way. I was lying. Oh, the paddles are already put on. Last time I had to put them on myself. So that's what the paddles look like. This is one of those type of Scuff type controllers. And by the way, before you say Scuff, all they copy Scuff, they worked with Scuff to make these originally. So, haha. This is the original black one, which was, I mean, it is a nice, hefty. What I liked about this one, not only did it have the rubber grips, but it's nice and hefty. So this was just a good quality controller to use. So put them side by side, and literally just the color. I'm trying to see if, let me get my face out the way so they'll focus. It's still looking at me, isn't it? I think I'm okay. So yeah, same rubberized grips. The paddles are the same. I was trying to see if there's anything different. So this was more of a brushed aluminum up here. This is definitely not that. They made it a little bit more plasticky. I mean, this is plastic, don't get me wrong, but like it has a brushed aluminum feel. So they took that away with this one just to kind of make it all white, even though the rubber grips are not white. If you don't like this D-pad, you can take it off and they give you a regular D-pad and you just stick it right in there and then there you go. I'm assuming it's using some type of magnets for that because that just happened way too easily. I happen to like the one, the newer one. So like, I don't know, it's kind of cool with fight games or whatever. And then they give you some different, here, I'll show you here. They give you some different pads for the thumbs. Or some people don't like the ones with the divots that your thumb kind of goes into. They like the rounded ones. So they give you the option of adding the, see, these pop off really easy. You see how easy I did that? Okay. You see how easy? Okay. And so this is more of that rounded feel. Your finger kind of comes off of it a little easier, but some people like that. So they give you the option to kind of customize it the way you want. I personally like it just the way they set it up, just like this. And then they give you some replacement ones in case these wear out. Because they do wear out if you're a pretty heavy gamer. You can go into Xbox settings and customize the buttons exactly how you want for any game. At least any game that they support that. I think it's any game. I'm not sure, but like you could definitely do that. Obviously, if you have one of these and you know more information than I do, then, you know, comment below because you're going to do it anyway. the price and link to this below. I'm assuming this one was like $150 when it came out. This is probably around that. I don't see any real difference. They didn't update the technology in it. So it's probably that, which is not cheap. But if you want a hefty controller that has, you know, a lot of girth, I was trying to avoid not saying that word. It's been in my mind the whole time. I was like, do not say girth. Do not say, and I said it. So yeah, if you're into that and you like the customization of paddles in the back, which a lot of people do, or you just want to try it, just, yeah, give it a try. The link will be below. Guys, thanks so much for watching. That's about it for our Xbox coverage. Tune in next time. I did that yesterday. Tune in next time. No, I'm not sure what the next video will be, but I got several unboxings in the queue. So make sure you stick around because that's what this channel is. It's fun unboxings. It could be food one day, game stuff the next day, and a trash can the next day. I wonder why I'm saying that. Tune in soon. Talk to you later. Bye!